Okay students, we have two example questions here. The first one is find the total surface area of a cylindrical shaped solid log of base radius 10.5 and height 20 centimeter. So if the data are given, it is easy. The area lessons, the volume lesson, you can draw a figure and you can write the measurements given on the figure. So if you draw a cylinder, so the base radius given as 10.5 centimeter, the height we have 20 centimeter. So those are the basic two measurements we need to find the surface area of a cylinder. Both are given. So it is a solid log. Solid shape means we have both top and bottom. Altogether we have the curved surface. So we have both three surfaces. So we can directly go for the equation 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. So after the equation we can only have to substitute the values. So 2 into 22 over 7, 10.5 we all know, that is 21 over 2 into 21 over 2. So plus 2 pi rh, 2 into 22 over 7, 21 over 2 into h is 20. So all we have the simplification, 7 times 1, 7 times 3, 2 times 1, 2 times 1, 2 times 1, 2 times 11. Okay. So 3 into 21, that is 63. 63. 3 into 21, that is 63 into 11. So multiplying with 11, it is a simple way. So if you multiply any 2-digit number with 11, you can easily do this step. Don't need to do like this. Okay, you can easily do it. Okay, the multiply number is 63. Write the first digit of the number and the last digit of the number in between. Add the number. First digit is 6, same as 6. Last digit is 3, same as 3. Add 6 plus 3, it is 9. So if you multiply 63 by 11, it is 693. So 693 is the area of circles what we have on the top and bottom. Plus 7 times 1, 7 times 3, 2 times 1, 2 times 11. So if you have 11, we can easily multiply. So 3 into 20, 60, 60 into 120. 60 into 2, 120. 3 into 20, 60, 60 into 2, 120. So 120 into 11. Like 2-digit number, we can do for 3 digits also. First digit, last digit, add the numbers. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 0 is 2. So 1320 is the number. So altogether, the final answer 3, 11, 1 remaining. So 4, 10. So 2013 centimeter square is the total surface area. So first we need to recognize with the data what is the shape of the cylinder. We have the top, we have the bottom, or we have only the bottom, we don't have a top. So we need to identify the shape, what are the surfaces are there. Then we can go for the equation related to the shape, then the substitution, then easily we can go for it. Okay, the second example question, length and breadth of a label pasted on a cylindrical shape. Students, you need to remember the basic idea, how we get the surfaces and how we get the equation of those surfaces. That is the primary part, and using that primary part we have so many questions. If you forgot those basic part, you can do the question related to basic. So the second question is also related to the basic part. A label is pasted on a cylindrical shaped milk powder. Okay. All the container with the shape of milk powder, only the label is pasted on the curved surface. So around the curved surface, a label is pasted. If you tear the label, then it will look like a rectangular shape. What we studied and what we discussed in the basic idea. So the length and breadth of the label is given. 44 centimeter is the length, 10 centimeter is the breadth. Okay, find the total surface area of the container. So they are asking what is the area of the container. Only the measurements of the label is given. So we need to connect the data, the primary idea what we discussed. Okay, if you fold this rectangular shape breadth-wise, so we can have the cylinder tin. We can imagine the cylinder tin. So the height of the cylinder tin, it's directly breadth of this label. So that's what we discussed on the basics. Okay. The circumference of the top or bottom, it is the length of the rectangle. So that's how we get the 2 pi RH. Remember the 2 pi RH theory. So C is given 44. So directly they didn't give the radius of the base and top. Radius of the base, it's not given. Instead of the radius, they have gave the circumference of the top and bottom. So if you want to find the total surface area, you need first the radius of the top and bottom. So you can go for C equal 2 pi r. C we know 44. So 2 into 22 over 7 into radius. We need to find the radius. Okay. So if you subject the r, 44 into 7 over 2 into 22. So 2, 22, it is 44. So we can cut it off 44. So r equal 7 centimeter. Now we have the radius. Okay. In this question, we don't need to go for 2 pi RH. We don't need to go for 2 pi RH because the length and the breadth are given. So instead of 2 pi RH, we can use length and breadth. That is our basic theory. So if you go to the area, total surface area, you can use both ways. You can use the equation. Area equal 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi RH. You can use it. I am using the other way. Area equal 2 pi r squared plus length into breadth. So you can use it. So 2 into 22 over 7, the radius we find that that is 7. The length into breadth, so that is 44 into 10. So if you simplify 2 pi r square, that is 44 into 7. 44 into 7, I think it's 308. Plus 44 into 10, 440. So altogether 748 centimeters square. So instead of the basic equation, we substitute the basic equation what we use to find this primary equation. Okay, we have another 2 or 3 examples. We discuss the other examples.